So obviously Shelter Cymru are first and foremost a service provider. We offer access to free, independent, expert legal housing advice in every part of Wales. And we support over 20,000 people every single year through that advice route. So we see the impact of the lack of social homes every single day in our casework, whether that's private renters who are coming to us unable to afford their increasing rent, who would otherwise perhaps historically have been allocated a social home, whether that's households facing homelessness or currently experiencing homelessness and spending long periods waiting in temporary accommodation due to the difficulties moving on from temporary accommodation into sustainable homes, be they social homes, obviously would be our preference. So the impact is huge across Wales, and it's very, very personal. We completed some research with every local authority in Wales, and so we understand that the pan-Wales waitlist for social homes is close to 95,000 households, so the number of households across Wales that is being affected by the lack of supply is significant.